Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, the place where your phone issues go to rest. Today we are talking about something we can all agree on, those super annoying ads on our Android phones. They pop up at the worst times, slow down our devices, and are just plain frustrating. But do not worry, today I will show you how to make them disappear with some easy ad busting tricks. Let us go over what we will cover today. Disable or uninstall problematic apps. Use ad-free apps or upgrade to premium versions. Install an ad blocker. Clear browser data. Factory reset if you are feeling brave. By the end of this video, you will know how to keep ads at bay and enjoy a smoother, ad-free phone experience. Let us jump in. Step 1. Disable or uninstall problematic apps. Alright, first things first. Some apps just love to bombard you with ads. They are like that one friend who keeps showing up and invited. Here's how to put them in their place. Open Settings on your device, scroll down or search for Apps Management. Find the app causing ads in the list. Yes, we are calling them out. Tap Uninstall to take it out or disable to put it on a break. Just like that, you will reduce a lot of those unwanted pop-ups. Problematic apps, consider yourselves warned. Step 2. Use ad-free apps or upgrade to premium versions. Now, if disabling apps isn't enough, sometimes it is worth investing in ad-free versions of your favorite apps. Think about it. Wouldn't it be nice to listen to music without random jingles interrupting your vibe? You could try Spotify Premium or YouTube Music. No ads, better sound quality, and offline access. Simply open the app, look for the app reduction, and subscribe. Boom! Instant peace from annoying interruptions. And before we proceed, speaking of annoying interruptions, this is not annoying. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Step 3. Install an ad blocker. Moving on to the big guns. Ad blockers are like the bouncers of the internet world. Here's how to get one. Open the Google Play Store. Search for ad blocker. Try AdGuard or Blocada. Download, install, and let it work its magic. With a simple download, you are saying, no more ads please. It is like having a personal force field against pop-ups. Step 4. Clear browser data. Alright, sometimes your web browser needs a little cleanup. It is like a fridge that's been stocked with random leftovers. You just gotta clear it out now and then. Open your web browser. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. Head over to Privacy and hit Delete Browsing Data. Not only will this reduce ads, but your browser might even start running smoother. Double win. Step 5. Factory reset. Last resort. If all else fails, it might be time for a clean slate. A factory reset. This is like hitting the refresh button on live, but be warned. This will delete everything, so back up your important data first. Go to Settings, tap Additional Settings, Backup and Reset. Select Reset to Factory Settings. Once the reset's done, your phone should be squeaky clean. Just make sure you actually want to go through with it. Because, yeah, it is one-way ticket. And there you have it. 5 foolproof ways to take those ads off your Android phone. If these tips made your life a little easier, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and app reviews. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you are the first to know when a new video drops. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time on Wireless Solutions. Bye for now.